fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time you need it, deep fry. Homie, this is too far.
I'm Satch Rider. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about bar risers. Is it something you need or something you should avoid? Let's get into it. Now, my bike, when I bought it, it came with this bar riser, and I have a love-hate relationship with it. On one hand, it makes your bike comfortable to ride long distances, especially if you're over 6 feet tall. On the other hand, it hinders performance. When your bars are up like this, you have less weight on your front wheel, which means less pressure, less traction, less confidence in corners. Also, when your bars are up like this, you have more leverage when you're doing jumps, so you could accidentally loft your front end higher than you'd like. I personally am going to take this off and drop the bars back down to stock height. Now, if you're a trail rider and you typically climb steep inclines and you've got a bar riser on, and you're finding your front end lofting, losing traction, unable to steer and navigate technical terrain on hillsides, you might drop your bars back down also. I think it will cure some of those problems for you. Thanks for riding along. For more unbiased E-Moto reviews, hit subscribe, keeping that content fresh.
Yeah.